This is a review of the 52-inch solid wood ceiling fan with lights, and it comes with a remote, 3-blade walnuts, and it is in a redwood color ceiling fan that we are going to be doing a unboxing review and install on, in which the brand sent me out this product as a gift that we are going to be putting this to a test to. And in this unboxing review and install, we're going to show you guys what you get inside this package, and from there we are going to show you guys the finished results when I have this ceiling fan installed into my room. So without going any further, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so to do the install was quite easy. So the base goes up here, and then there's a rod that attaches it to right over here. And the bigger the room, use the longer link, but since my room is small, so I use the shorter one. The antenna receiver is right over here, so that'll connect with the remote, so you could function the remote while you're sitting inside your room. So make sure you have this thing out right over here. And the blades, they automatically connect to each other with the set of screws that comes with provided. And right over here, all the stuff connects. And then right from here, when it comes time to install it, right here we had to, it connected with the positive to positive, the negative to negative, and then from there we just had it done like that. And that's it for the install. But if you're not exactly sure on how you install it, I would definitely recommend to hire a professional if you are wanting to, to install a ceiling fan. But let's talk about the features that this product has. Okay, so this right over here is the finished results of the 52-inch ceiling fan that you can see here. Now, to turn it on, all you have to do is, to have the remote with you. That's right over here that you can see. And to have the brightness on, you can see that's quite dim, but I have it off due to the glare. So if I hit the brightness right over here, you can see how bright this thing is. So this is at the full max setting that you can see here. And right over here, you control it like that. So to have it dim, you can just hold the button like that. It'll just go, have dim mode. And then right over here, we have different adjustments. So you can have it in a warm white color that you can see here. It's absolutely a beautiful color. Let me go brighten it out to show you guys how it is and when it's extremely bright. So this is the full max setting that it's bright. You can see here. Now we're going to go to the other color. It has 3 different color settings. So you can have this one right over here, a cool white that is right over here. So this is cool white, and then a natural color white that's right over here that you can see here. And to change the colors, all you have to do is hold the buttons just like that right over here. Now let's go to the fan settings. So if you want to have the fan on, you just press, for example, setting number 1, so speed number 1, and then you can see that it's at a slow setting. So as I gradually press to 2, then we're going to go on to 3, then we're going to go on to 4, but let's give it some time a little bit to show you guys. And then right over here, okay, we're going to go on number 4, and then right over here, so we're going to go on setting number 5, and now we're going to go on the max setting, which is setting number 6. So let's hit this button right over here. So this is the max and the high setting for the fan speed. And you can see it efficiently, it blows air very, it changes the entire, especially if you have a small room. You can see here my room right over here that I have is quite small that you can see here. And it works very efficiently, and the air is very blowing like breeze. It's really windy. It feels very nice. It will definitely come in handy, especially during the summer days. As you guys know, it gets extremely hot. And right over here, we could also go back to number 1 to keep it down. But not just that, but you could also change the level of the speed. So what I mean by that is that it could go downward and upward as well too. You could change the direction as well too. So this fan right over here, the ceiling fan, would definitely come in hand during the summer, but not just the summer, but also during the winter as well too. As you guys know, this could go the other way around, so we could have it rotated to the opposite side, so counterclockwise. So I could have the blades go to the opposite way, which will come in handy during the winter time. And right over here, we could have to certain durations as well too. If you want to have it on for 30 minutes, you can have it on for 2 hours as well too. And right over here, we could change the buttons so you can have it on like that when you press the button. But not just that, we also get right over here the brackets. So whenever you're not using it, you just put it just like that, and it'll just close like that. This right over here, you could also use this as well to program as well too. And it comes with a magnet right over here that you just have to put 2 screws in with a full head screwdrivers. And right over here, it comes with the battery that you just have to put a battery as well too. Then it will just, you could just program it just like that. It's a magnetic, it just sticks like that. And the remote control, it comes with a clamp. So whenever you're not using it, you just put the remote just like that, and you're just done with that. But I would definitely recommend this 52-inch ceiling fan. It looks absolutely beautiful, and it's in a redwood material, and it was very easy to install as well too. And it changed the entire appearance to my room. But not only that, but the functionality as well too. It definitely improvised my room as well too. It has more air inside in my room. I feel more breeze, And if you're looking for a fan to change the entire interior experience of your home, then this ceiling fan right over here is by far one of the best ones to get, and I would definitely recommend this product.